Oh, that's pretty.
Yo. Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, got a fucking mask on.
Hi you guys, I am Shelly if you're new here, and if you've already been here, welcome back. So it's been a minute since I sat down and filmed. I decided, since I was feeling better today, that I would sit down, do a video, and kind of catch you guys up. If you don't follow me on social media, then obviously you wouldn't know why I haven't been uploading. Since I've been out of commission, I got some new makeup products that I wanted to try. I got a new palette, some new foundation, and yeah. So today's video is just gonna be like a chit chat. Get ready with me. I'm not going anywhere, but you guys can still get ready with me because I haven't sat down and done my makeup in like a month. So I kind of wanted to look like something since I'm feeling better. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so let's start with primer. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Mattifying Primer. Now for concealer, I am going to use the TooFaced Born This Way concealer. I have the shades Mocha and Cookie, so I'm going to use those. I don't even know if I know how to do my makeup anymore because it's been a while. Let me catch you guys up on what's been going on with me these last few weeks. If you follow me on Instagram or you're friends with me on Facebook or Snapchat, then you know I have been overcoming COVID-19. I was in the hospital for 20 days and it was really rough. Like, it was really rough. I'm gonna put on foundation while I let my concealer sit a little bit. And this is my first time using the TooFaced Born This Way foundation. Hopefully I got the right shade, but I got the shade Chai. That's not bad. It's a little off, but it's okay. So as I was saying, I was dealing with COVID. I was in the hospital. It was so rough. I thought, I'm not gonna lie you guys, I thought it was over for me. I really did. But by the grace of God, I overcame it. But it was really a hard time. And like when you're dealing with something like that and you can't have like any visitors or, you know, can't have like anyone there to support you like physically, it's hard. I'm still home recovering, but I'm doing so much better. I was on oxygen for like 2 weeks. This is looking real orange. Let me blend this up. But I was on oxygen for 2 weeks. That was really rough. It was really hard to deal with, I'm not gonna lie. But I had my family, I had so much support on the outside, so many people praying for me. I'm so thankful for that because it was just rough. Like, there's no other way to describe it. I think I really love the finish of that foundation. Let me blend the concealer. With dealing with COVID, it was so hard. I was really trying my hardest, like, to not give up. I was literally giving up. It was so hard to deal with. I cannot stress it enough or express it enough. For those of you who do not take it serious or who don't take it serious, now's the time to start because it is Literally no joke. I literally would not wish that on my worst enemy. It was so scary. The finish on this foundation though. So clearly I've been asleep. I'm gonna put like a little bit more under my eyes. Just like in this little dip. Cause I don't like that. But you guys, if I sound like I'm out of breath, it's because that's what COVID does to you. Like your breathing is like so off. I want to hurry up and set under my eyes. So I'm gonna set under my eyes using the Ben Nye banana powder. I'm just gonna press that in. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows off camera and then I'll be right back because I can't do this right now. Okay, so brows are done. Now I'm just gonna prime my lids using the same TooFaced concealer. So I honestly probably shouldn't even do much talking, but it's okay. So the palette that I'm gonna use is the So Jaded palette. I ordered this from ColourPop. It was so pretty, I just couldn't not. I hope there isn't any controversy surrounding the palette because I didn't look into it, so. Okay. Ooh, I know what look I'm gonna do. There's this really pretty shade in here, Emerald. It goes with my shirt. I'm gonna do that on the lid. But in the crease, I'm gonna go into this orange shade, Carnelian. Ooh. Pigment. That is pigment. Wow, okay. Wow, I didn't expect that. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna blend that into the crease up into the head of my brow. I don't want to make this like a sad video talking about COVID, but I definitely want to bring more awareness to the issue because so many people do not take it serious, and they should. Because when I tell you I was going through it, I was really going through it. It was so hard for me. It's been rough, like recovering. I'm like afraid to go around anybody right now. I'm afraid to travel. I'm afraid. I'm just afraid. I mean, when I tell you guys, I was in the hospital, like literally suffering. So when I say be safe, because you guys could be asymptomatic, but then you could pass it along to somebody else. And then what? They go through pain and suffering. And it doesn't matter that you're healthy, because I'm super healthy, super active, and I still had it so bad. Just because you're healthy does not mean you cannot get it bad and damn near die. Because I definitely was like, I was giving up. I'm gonna go into the shade Jasper and place that in the outer part of my eye and just blend that up into that crease color. This palette has pigment. Okay, moving on. Okay, so for the lid color, I'm going to go into the shade Emerald. So for my inner corner, I am going to use the shade Moonstone. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom that I did on top, except I'm gonna use Jasper first. And that's the dark brown shade. And I'm just gonna dust that across. You guys, when I was in the hospital, I was literally ordering so much. I was ordering makeup, I was ordering Skims, I was ordering stuff that like I didn't know when I was gonna be able to wear it. Okay, I'm gonna go into the shade Carnelian and blend out that dark brown. But I was ordering so much. I was getting emails for collabs. My channel was like growing while I was in there. I could not wait to get back filming. YouTube is my baby. So I was like, okay. I couldn't wait. I was like, I can be quarantined making videos. So I ordered these pencils from ColourPop and they're gel liners. This one is in the shade Honey Dude and it's like a nude. I'm gonna put that on my waterline. I'm gonna put on mascara. Before I put on anything else, I'm gonna bronze. I'm using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Coconutty. That just shaved a few inches off my face. So I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild liner. It's a black liner and I'm just gonna take and smudge it on the outer part of my eye. Then I'm gonna take my flat shader brush and just smudge it a little bit. Okay, so for blush, I am going to use the Hot Flush Blush by Sephora. I feel like the orange in this would really help to reflect off the eyes or bounce off the eyes. For highlights, I'm gonna use Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown. For powder, I am going to use the TooFaced Born This Way powder in Maple. Now I'm going to pop on my lashes and I will be right back. So lashes are on. Now I'm going to move on to lips. I am going to use the KKW Beauty lip liner in the shade Nude 3. Then I'm going to use NYX liquid liner in the shade London. While that dries, I'm going to set my face. And I'm going to use a clear gloss on top. And that completes the final look. Oh, that's pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I didn't do too much talking. It's just that my breathing is not where it needs to be. So yeah, you guys, as I was saying, make sure you guys are taking the proper precautions, taking care of yourself. COVID is very real, and we want to stop the spread if we can. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!